Welcome to Josna's recipes, and this is how I make it. Today I thought of making some healthy option like dry nuts or dry fruit burfi, or I would rather call them granola bars because it has oats in it, and it has medjool dates in it, and some dry nuts. So let's start the recipe. So this is a cup measure as usual, and I'm going to take all the seeds, the dry nuts that I like. So I'm going to take 1 cupful of pumpkin seeds. Then I'm going to take almonds. Then I'm going to take cashew nuts. I'll make them a little less. And walnuts. So all 1 cup measures, and I'm going to dry roast them. No ghee or no oil required. That's why I've taken it in the kadhai. And we also need uh, 1 cup of grated ghee. So I've got one big chunk of good, and I've grated this. And this is desi good, like Kolhapuri good or any good, but not a salty good. And we need that for binding. So I have also taken oats. I'm going to show you how many oats I'm going to take. Maybe I'll take two or measures of oats because they are healthy and they form a binding for these dry nuts. So let's start roasting them on a low flame. So let's start roasting it on a low flame. So keep stirring them, and we don't want to make them too dark, but they should be roasted enough to lose their smell. Especially walnuts have a little a pungent smell which I don't like. So I'm going to roast them and see that they lose that smell. These are 2 cups of oats, leveled cups of oats. It took 4 minutes for me on a low flame, and it is all done now. I can smell them. Let's switch off the gas. Now I'm cooling them in another bowl, and now I'm going to add these 2 level cups of oats, and I'm also going to roast them without oil, no ghee required at this point. We'll roast them for till they are little we don't want them crisp. Actually, we just want to roast them so they lose that rawness, because with nuts they taste awesome when they are roasted. Look at them, they're little creamish, and they are it took 2 minutes for me to roast them. They're light and fluffy. I've switched off the gas, and I'll remove them and put it in the plate to cool. So I have taken 11 medjool dates, and I'm going to cut them. I've de-seeded them. I'm going to cut them. Don't take the hard variety, take the soft one. And if you don't get it, you also can use dates powder. Sometimes you get dates powder. If you get dates powder, you can use half a cup of dates powder. That adds to the sweetening of that granola bar. So let me cut this. We'll use mixer grinder to put the dry fruit, the dry nuts, and this dates and oats. So I'm putting dry nuts underneath, and then go few dates and some oats. And let us pulse this. We want it coarse. So after grinding this coarse, look at my mixture. It has everything now. I'm also going to add some elaichi powder or cardamom powder, say 1 teaspoonful, because it's a big quantity. I make this because my family loves it, and this is actually a 11 o'clock or 4 o'clock snack for them, or when they drive back home from the office, they have one of it, one piece of it, and at 11 o'clock also they love to have one piece of this. This gives them good energy, and it's better than the granola bars or any other snack. I'm heating up this kadhai. Now is an important trick here to bring all the ingredients together. We have half a cup of ghee here. This is again a binding agent along with jaggery. So this is homemade ghee. You can use any ghee, cow ghee or any ghee, or if you have ready-made or homemade ghee, you can use that half cup. And before it melts, we are going to add one heaped cup of jaggery, grate it so that it melts. We are not going to do any syrup or anything. We are just melting this jaggery in the ghee, and the minute it melts, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of water, cold water at room temperature, and whisk it and mix all the ingredients. So you can see that the jaggery has started melting. We are just going to melt it. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoonful of cardamom powder here and mixing it before I add it to the jaggery. Our jaggery has melted in the ghee. My gas is on low flame, and after adding water, 1 teaspoonful of water, look at that. This water makes it soft and nice to eat. It doesn't make it chewy. Now is the time to switch off the gas and add our mixture. Now we'll mix it all together. I have mixed it all together. See, it has come out so well. Now is the time to put it in this greased tray. And dab it with a flat katori. So it's just hot, but I'm using my fingers to level it up. You can use a flat katori. I'm making it flat and nice before it gets dry. So there is no need to hurry or run around. So once this settles down, I'm going to just use the katori. Using this flat katori to level this up. So give it a flat texture. Look at that. I'm allowing it to cool for some time and then make bars out of it. So I'm going to use knife and cut them in pieces of my required size. It's all ready. So I have one complete tray and some half a plate, and it is all ready. And you can even cut it at this juncture. There is no problem, but I would rather allow it to, you can cut even now. You can cut, so it's not difficult at all, and it dries up quickly. You don't have to freeze it. And the shelf life is for this, the shelf life is nearly 7 to 10 days, because everything has been roasted and it has ghee in it. And but it doesn't remain for 7 days, it gets over before that. So I would like to make bite size pieces. You can also make big pieces like these. So once they are cooled completely, you can remove them and they come out in pieces. So look at the uh, pieces. I can easily remove them. So they are all done and they need to be separated. And it's ready to eat. It tastes awesome. You can do one more thing, if you feel that it is less sweet, you can add maybe half a cup of more good. But the ghee, let the ghee remain the same amount, because ghee is just to melt the jaggery. Look at this, and all good things in it. So make it and let me know if you like it. So this is my favorite family snack, and we carry it in the car to the office, and back home in the car we can have one or two pieces, and that keeps us going till we reach home and we have dinner. So this is the best healthy snack, no sugar, and the amount of good that jaggery that we have used is very less comparing to this quantity we have taken. So it's light and good. So we'll meet you with another recipe